Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download Snapchat Plus Plus. It is just like Snapchat, it is the modded version and it gives you 100,000 Snapchat score, guys. So if you would like that score in your accounts as well, just follow the tutorial. First, we need to go to the settings and change some things. So under general, we find background app refresh and we keep it on, guys. If it's off, it's not going to be able to download it. So just keep it on and go back to your settings to find the battery settings. We need to turn off the low power mode here, so just turn that off and we should be good to download right now. After that, we need to use any browser that we have and type in tweaksy.com. As you can see, it is a site that has a lot of applications from games to social media apps. They all have something to offer to you for free. So if you are interested, you could check that out later as well. Today we are looking for Snapchat Plus Plus, so I'm typing that in. As you can see, they already show me the results before I type the full thing in, so you can just click on that. I will just leave it to download, and as you can see, they have the app installation instructions, and under that, they give information about how it works, how the app works, and what it gives you. You can read all of that if you would like to as well. Today, I'm just showing you how to download the application and how it works. So yeah, I left it to download. I'm just waiting for it to check the integrity and download the whole file. It should be actually a fast process. So yeah, it's ready, as you can see. Let's look at it. Yep, I have the 100,000 Snapchat score. So yeah, if you would like that in your account as well, just follow our tutorial and don't forget to leave us a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and we will see you on another video. Bye.